Welcome to ASO Leap. Optimize iOS app. Optimize iOS App Store. 15 core ASO strategies are systematically organized into 4 strategic implementation phases. Foundation, strategies 1 to 4. Conversion, strategies 5 to 9. Advanced features, strategies 10 to 12. And scale and automation, strategies 13 to 15. App Store optimization, ASO, for iOS has become the decisive factor for app success on Apple App Store, where over 70% of downloads come from organic search according to Sensor Tower research. These 15 proven effective ASO strategies not only help increase visibility and rankings but also systematically optimize conversion rates, thereby delivering sustainable growth for your application. This article will dive deep into each strategy within a 4-phase implementation framework from foundation to automation, along with specific implementation roadmaps and measurable outcomes so you can track progress and optimize performance scientifically. Specifically, each strategy comes with actionable checklists, KPI measurements, and expected results to ensure maximum ROI for your ASO efforts. 1. 15 most effective ASO strategies. 4-phase framework. 15 core ASO strategies are systematically organized into 4 strategic implementation phases. Foundation, strategies 1 to 4. Conversion, strategies 5 to 9. Advanced features, strategies 10 to 12. And scale and automation, strategies 13 to 15. This framework ensures you build a solid foundation before deploying advanced tactics, thereby maximizing ROI and achieving sustainable growth. 1. Phase 1. Foundation, days 1 to 30. Establish discoverability. The foundation phase focuses on establishing basic searchability through metadata optimization, ensuring the app is accurately indexed by App Store and appears for relevant queries. Strategy 1. Deep keyword research and strategic mapping. Purpose: build the foundation for all ASO success through systematic keyword discovery and strategic mapping. How to implement: 5-step methodology. Seed keywords. Right pointing arrow. App Store autosuggest. Right pointing arrow. Competitor analysis. Right pointing arrow. Intent categorization. Right pointing arrow. Priority matrix. 3-layer approach. Functional keywords: what app does, plus benefit keywords, what users achieve, plus category keywords, app type, tools integration. Sensor Tower, app tweak, mobile action for comprehensive data implementation process. Brainstorm 10 to 15 seed keywords describing core app functionality. Expand via App Store autosuggest to discover actual user search patterns. Analyze competitor portfolios to identify gap opportunities. Categorize by intent. Navigational, informational, transactional. Create priority matrix. Relevance times 3 plus volume times 2 plus 11. Difficulty 6. Action checklist. Checkmark. Build keyword database with 100 plus validated terms. Checkmark. Prioritize by relevance. Right pointing arrow. Volume. Right pointing arrow. Difficulty. Right pointing arrow. Monetization. Fit. Checkmark. Avoid duplication across metadata fields. Checkmark. Focus on singular forms. Apple Auto generates plurals. KPI measurement: number of keywords achieving top 10 rankings. Target 25 to 35 keywords. Total search impressions growth: 40 to 60% increase impression to install rate by keyword cluster. Expected results: comprehensive keyword strategy with clear implementation roadmap and competitive advantage identification. According to Sensor Tower, 2025, long-tail keywords, 4+ words, generate 23% higher conversion rates. Strategy 2. App name and subtitle optimization using scientific formulas. Purpose: maximize search algorithm impact through strategic balance of brand recognition and keyword optimization. How to implement: scientific formulas. Brand, primary keyword, or primary keyword, by brand, subtitle strategy. Secondary keyword, plus value proposition, within 30 characters. A/B testing. Apple Search Ads to validate center performance. Implementation steps: Identify primary keyword with highest search volume plus relevance score. Create 3 to 5 name variations following different formulas. Test via Apple Search Ads to measure center differences. Monitor competitor changes to identify trending opportunities. Optimization checklist. Checkmark. Include primary keyword in app name. Checkmark. Maintain brand consistency across touchpoints. Checkmark. Avoid trademark violations. Checkmark. Use full 30 characters effectively. KPI tracking. Keyword rankings for primary terms. Target top 10 positions. Search results center improvement. 15 to 25% increase expected app rejection rate. Must maintain 0% expected results. 15 to 25% increase in keyword visibility within first 2 weeks. Mobile action data 2024 shows brand plus keyword combinations achieve 34% higher center. Strategy 3. Keyword field mastery. Leveraging the 100 golden characters purpose. Leverage iOS exclusive advantage for hidden keyword indexing beyond title, subtitle limitations. How to implement. Advanced optimization rules. Comma separation only. Singular forms. No repetition from other fields. Strategic character usage. Every character counts. Use abbreviations appropriately. Market localization. Different keyword sets for each App Store region. Optimization framework. Tier 1 keywords, 40 to 50 chars. High volume primary terms that don't fit elsewhere. Tier 2 keywords, 30 to 40 chars. Long tail combinations with lower competition. Tier 3 keywords, 10 to 20 chars. Seasonal, trending terms, competitor alternatives. Execution checklist. Checkmark. Fill complete 100 characters. Checkmark. Use comma separation. No spaces. Habit, tracker, daily, routine. Checkmark. Prioritize nouns, verbs over adjectives. Checkmark. Localize for each target market. Performance metrics. Additional keyword rankings. Target 25 to 35 new indexed keywords. Long tail visibility improvement. 20 to 30% increase compound effect with other metadata optimization. Expected impact. 28% increase in total indexed keywords. App Radar data 2024 confirms 28% more keyword rankings compared to empty field apps. Strategy 4. Description and promotional text conversion optimization purpose. Maximize post-discovery conversion through compelling content and real-time messaging flexibility. How to implement. Description structure. Hook, 255 chars. Right pointing arrow. Core benefits. Right pointing arrow. Feature highlights. Right pointing arrow. Social proof. Right pointing arrow. CTA. Promotional text rotation. Monthly updates with value-focused messaging. Seasonal campaigns. Holiday offers. Feature announcements. Urgency creation. Content strategy. Opening hook. Address user pain point plus solution promise plus social proof. Teaser benefit focused bullets. What users achieve, not just features. Social proof integration. Awards, user count, testimonials. Clear call to action. Risk reduction plus urgency elements. Implementation checklist. Checkmark. Include relevant keywords naturally. Checkmark. Address user pain points directly. Checkmark. Highlight unique differentiators. Checkmark. Update promotional text. Monthly conversion KPIs. Product page conversion rate. Target 8 to 12% improvement. User engagement. Time on description. Feature discovery rate from description content. Expected results. 8 to 12% improvement in product page conversion rate. StoreMaven research 2023 shows monthly promotional text updates generate 12% higher conversion rates. 1. 2. Phase 2. Conversion, days 31 to 60. Optimize visual experience. The conversion phase focuses on optimizing visual experience to convert impressions into installations through psychology-based design and social proof. Strategy 5. App icon psychological impact optimization purpose. Maximize click-through from search results and category browsing through psychology-driven design. How to implement. 3-second attention rule. Simple, recognizable symbol readable at small sizes. Color psychology. Blue, trust. Red, urgency. Green, growth. Purple, premium, competitive differentiation. Alternative colors if category is homogeneous. Design framework. Primary element. 1 dominant focus. 60% attention. Secondary elements. Supporting details, 30% attention. Background context. Mood setting, 10% attention. Testing methodology. Checkmark create 3 to 5 distinct concepts. Checkmark A, B test via Apple Search Ads. Checkmark analyze category competition. Checkmark consider cultural adaptation for international markets. Performance metrics. Search results center improvement. Target 10 to 15% increase. Browse discovery engagement. Brand recognition scores. Category competitive positioning. Expected outcome 10 to 15% improvement in search center and enhanced brand recognition across discovery surfaces. Strategy 6. Screenshot sequence psychology. 3 frame priority structure. Purpose. Maximize install conversion through proven psychology framework addressing user decision journey. How to implement. Frame 1. Value proposition. Benefit focused headline within 3-second rule. Frame 2 to 3. Core features. Interface demonstration with ease of use. Emphasis. Frame 4 to 5. Social proof. Awards, testimonials, user-generated content. Implementation framework. Device-specific optimization. Separate sets for iPhone, iPad. Text overlay optimization. 6 to 8 words maximum. High contrast localization requirements. Translated text plus culturally relevant imagery. A, B testing variables. Checkmark different value propositions in frame 1. Checkmark text placement variations. Top, middle, bottom. Checkmark color schemes and background options. Checkmark message length optimization. Conversion KPIs. Product page conversion rate. Target 20 to 35% improvement. Screenshot engagement time. User understanding scores. Bounce rate reduction. Expected impact 20 to 35% improvement in conversion rate. Split metrics data 2024 confirms optimized sequences improve conversion 18 to 35%. Strategy 7. App preview video storytelling mastery. Purpose. Hook viewers within 3 seconds and demonstrate core value through problem solution narrative. How to implement. 30-second structure. Problem. 0-3s. Right pointing arrow solution. 3-20s. Right pointing arrow results. 20-27s. Right pointing arrow CTA. 27-30s. Technical requirements. Portrait orientation. No external branding. Actual device footage. Content optimization. Real user interactions. Unique features. Results demonstration. Storytelling framework. Problem identification. Show user frustration or need solution demonstration. App functionality in action. Results showcase. What user achieves. Subtle call to action. Implicit download encouragement. Quality standards. Checkmark high resolution. 1080p minimum. Checkmark smooth frame rate. 60 fps optimal. Checkmark remove device frames. Checkmark optimize thumbnail selection. Performance tracking. Video completion rate. Target 80% plus viewing click-through rate from video install. Conversion lift versus pages without video. User quality metrics. Post-install expected results. 15 to 25% increase in product page engagement. Apple internal data shows videos can improve conversion by up to 30%. Strategy 8. Ratings and reviews ecosystem management. Purpose. Maintain 4.0+ average rating to preserve search visibility and user trust through proactive strategy. How to implement. Proactive requests. Strategic timing after positive experiences. iOS native implementation. SK Store Review Controller. Max 3 requests per year. User. Professional responses. Acknowledge issues plus specific solutions plus follow-up request strategy. Optimal timing. Post-success moments. Achievement unlocks. Problem resolution. Contextual relevance. After positive user experiences. International adaptation. Different timing for cultural contexts. Response framework. 5-star reviews. Gratitude plus community building plus feature highlighting 4-star reviews. Appreciation plus improvement inquiry plus feature education 1 to 3-star reviews. Professional acknowledgement plus specific solutions plus direct contact. Quality assurance. Checkmark monitor review themes for common pain points. Checkmark prioritize fixes based on feedback frequency. Checkmark track resolution success rates. Checkmark maintain 100% response rate within 48 hours. KPI monitoring. Average rating maintenance. Target 4.0+ review volume growth. 25 to 40% increase review update rate post resolution. Target 75% expected outcome. 70% higher search visibility from positive rating signals. App Follow Research 2024 confirms 4.0+ ratings achieve 70% higher visibility. Strategy 9. Category optimization and competitive positioning. Purpose. Maximize browse discovery and editorial consideration through strategic category selection. How to implement. Primary category. Accurate functional reflection. Secondary category. Broader audience targeting or less competitive positioning. Competitive analysis. Balance audience size versus ranking difficulty. Selection strategy. Category density assessment. Competition intensity analysis. User expectation alignment. Where users naturally look. Editorial opportunities. Categories Apple frequently features. Implementation process. Checkmark analyze current category performance. Checkmark test alternatives via Apple Search Ads. Checkmark monitor impact on existing rankings. Checkmark optimize visual assets for category conventions. Performance metrics. Browse discovery traffic. Target 10 to 15% increase category ranking improvements. Editorial consideration opportunities. User expectation alignment scores. Expected results. 10 to 15% increase in browse discovery downloads and improved editorial opportunities. 1.3. Phase 3. Advanced features, days 61 to 90. Leverage platform features. The advanced features phase focuses on exploiting unique iOS capabilities to maximize visibility and expand internationally. Strategy 10. Localization strategy and market expansion. Purpose. Expand internationally through data-driven market prioritization and cultural adaptation. How to implement. Tier-based approach. Tier 1. Full localization. Right pointing arrow. Tier 2. Metadata only. Right pointing arrow. Tier 3. Future expansion. Market analysis. Revenue potential times competition level times cultural fit times resource requirements. ROI calculation. Market size times ARPU times penetration rate times iOS share. Market prioritization. Tier 1. US, Japan, Germany, South Korea. Full localization. Tier 2. France, Brazil, Australia. Metadata localization. Tier 3. Italy, Mexico, Netherlands. Future expansion. Implementation checklist. Checkmark professional native translation. Not machine. Checkmark cultural adaptation of imagery and messaging. Checkmark local keyword research for each market. Checkmark currency and date format adjustments. ROI metrics. Market-specific conversion improvement. Target 128% increase organic install growth by storefront local ARPU and LTV performance. Customer acquisition cost efficiency. Expected impact. 128% higher download rates in localized markets. Sensor Tower data. 2024 confirms properly localized apps achieve 128% higher downloads. Strategy 11. In-app events. Strategic implementation. Purpose. Create additional discovery surfaces beyond standard listing through genuine in-app experiences. How to implement. Event types. Tournament, competitions, seasonal promotions, content releases, community events. Apple compliance. Genuine in-app experience. Meaningful content, appropriate duration. Metadata optimization. Compelling names, descriptive text, attractive badges. Event strategy framework. Gaming apps. PvP tournaments, seasonal challenges. Fitness apps. Step challenges, community goals. Educational apps. Quiz competitions, learning challenges. Productivity apps. Habit building competitions. Implementation requirements. Checkmark event must be accessible within app. Checkmark professional presentation. Bug-free functionality. Checkmark strategic scheduling with marketing calendar. Checkmark cross-channel promotion coordination. Performance measurement. Event impressions. Additional visibility surfaces. Click-through rate. Event listing to app page install conversion during events, user engagement with event content, expected results. 15 to 22% increase in total app impressions. Apple Partner Data, 2023, shows events generate 15 to 22% impression increases. Strategy 12. Competitor analysis and market intelligence purpose. Gain strategic advantage through systematic competitive monitoring and opportunity identification. How to implement. 4-tier analysis. Direct competitors, right pointing arrow. Indirect competitors, right pointing arrow. Category leaders, right pointing arrow. Emerging threats, intelligence gathering. ASO strategy, visual assets, user feedback, marketing campaigns, automated monitoring. Ranking alerts, update tracking, keyword monitoring, analysis framework. Keyword strategies. Rankings, metadata usage, search advertising, visual evolution. Icon changes, screenshot strategies, video approaches, user feedback. Review sentiment, feature requests, pain points, update patterns. Feature releases, ASO optimization cycles, application tactics. Checkmark, identify keyword gaps in competitor coverage. Checkmark, discover visual differentiation opportunities. Checkmark, find user satisfaction improvement areas. Checkmark, recognize market timing advantages. Competitive KPIs. Relative keyword ranking improvements. Target 8% average gain, market share growth metrics, user satisfaction, comparative scores, innovation, leadership indicators, expected advantage. 8% average keyword ranking improvement and 5% download increase through strategic insights. App Tweak Research, 2023, shows regular analysis leads to 8% ranking improvements. 1. 4. Phase 4. Scale and automation. Ongoing, scale and optimize. The scale phase focuses on advanced testing, traffic segmentation, and paid organic integration to maximize long-term ROI. Strategy 13. Custom product pages, strategic deployment purpose. Enable traffic segmentation and campaign-specific optimization for high-impact opportunities. How to implement. Selective approach. 3 to 5 high-performing CPPs rather than broad implementation. High-value use cases. Apple Search Ads campaigns, seasonal promotions, feature marketing, geographic targeting. A/B validation. Each CPP tested against default page strategic use cases. ASA campaigns. Keyword-specific landing pages, seasonal promotions. Holiday-themed messaging, feature launches. New capability highlighting market targeting. Geographic-specific content optimization elements. Checkmark screenshots tailored to traffic source intent. Checkmark promotional text aligned with campaign messaging. Checkmark video content relevant to user segment. Checkmark deep linking integration. ROI calculation. CPP ROI equals revenue from CPP users minus creation costs. Creation costs times 100. CPP ROI equals creation costs. Revenue from CPP users minus creation costs times 100. Expected performance. 20 to 30% conversion improvement from targeted campaigns and enhanced personalization. 1. 4. 2. Strategy 14. Product page optimization. A/B testing mastery purpose. Scientific optimization through Apple validated methodology with statistical significance. How to implement. Hypothesis-driven testing. Clear predictions with measurable outcomes. Single variable focus. Isolate elements for accurate results. Statistical requirements. 90% confidence level. Minimum traffic thresholds. Testing framework. Screenshot optimization. Frame 1 value propositions. Visual hierarchy. Sequential storytelling. Video experiments. Opening hooks. Content focus. Demonstration styles. Duration optimization. 2 to 4 weeks typical. Maximum 35 days. Technical constraints. Limited elements. Screenshots and app preview videos only. iOS only. No cross-platform testing. Maximum concurrent. 3 active experiments. Automatic termination. If confidence not achieved. Quality assurance. Checkmark single variable testing only. Checkmark sufficient sample size for statistical power. Checkmark clean test environment. Checkmark proper result interpretation. Expected results. 10 to 15% conversion improvements after successful cycles. Apple PPO case studies show systematic testing achieves average 18% improvements. Strategy 15. Apple Search adds integration synergy purpose. Create synergistic effect where paid informs organic and organic enhances paid performance. How to implement. Bidirectional data flow. ASA keyword discovery right pointing arrow organic targeting. ASO conversion right pointing arrow reduced ASA costs campaign architecture. Brand protection. Generic keywords. Competitor targeting. Long tail exploitation budget allocation. 70% organic focus. 30% paid amplification integration strategies. Keyword discovery pipeline. ASA performance right pointing arrow high converting terms right pointing arrow organic metadata brand protection. Prevent competitor bidding on brand terms competitive intelligence. Analyze competitor ad strategies launch acceleration. Paid boost while organic develops advanced analytics. Attribution modeling. Multi-touch user journey analysis blended metrics. Combined organic plus paid performance predictive optimization. Seasonal forecasting. Competitive response performance measurement. Blended ROAS equals total revenue, organic plus paid. Total ASA spend plus ASO investment. Blended ROAS equals total ASA spend plus ASO investment. Total revenue, organic plus paid. Expected impact. 25 to 30% reduction in overall CAC and comprehensive market coverage. Mobile Dev Memo Analysis, 2024, shows integrated strategies achieve 23% higher performance. 2. Implementation Roadmap and Success Framework Phased Implementation Timeline. 2. 1. Phase 1. Foundation, Weeks 1 to 4, Weeks 1 to 2. Strategies 1 to 2, Keyword Research, App Name Optimization, Weeks 3 to 4. Strategies 3 to 4. Keyword Field, Description Optimization. Milestone. 15 to 25% Keyword Visibility Improvement 2. 2. Phase 2. Conversion, Weeks 5 to 8, Weeks 5 to 6. Strategies 5 to 7, Icon, Screenshots, Video. Weeks 7 to 8. Strategies 8 to 9, Ratings, Category Optimization. Milestone. 20 to 35% Conversion Improvement 2. 3. Phase 3. Advanced, Weeks 9 to 12, Weeks 9 to 10. Strategies 10 to 11, Localization, In-app events. Weeks 11 to 12. Strategy 12, Competitive Intelligence. Milestone. International Expansion Foundation 2. 4. Phase 4. Scale, Ongoing, Week 13 plus. Strategies 13 to 15, CPP, PPO, ASA integration. Continuous. Testing cycles, performance monitoring milestone. Sustainable Growth System Success Measurement Framework. Key performance indicators. Organic downloads. 30 to 50% increase target keyword rankings. 40 to 60% more ranked terms conversion rate. 25 to 35% improvement user acquisition cost. 20 to 30% reduction market visibility. Top 10 for primary keywords expected cumulative results. Month 1. Foundation improvements visible month 2. Conversion optimization measurable month 3. Advanced features impact month 6. Full system optimization month 12. Market leadership established in conclusion. Implementing systematic 15 ASO strategies following 4-phase framework will establish sustainable competitive advantage, drive consistent organic growth, and create scalable optimization system on Apple App Store. Success depends on disciplined execution, continuous optimization, data-driven decision-making, and strategic patience throughout the implementation process. 3. Professional iOS App Optimize Services. Maximize your App Store success with ASO Leap. Transform your iOS app into an App Store success story. ASO Leap's comprehensive iOS Optimize service combines proven ASO strategies, data-driven methodologies, and expert implementation to dramatically increase your organic downloads, improve keyword rankings, and drive sustainable revenue growth. With over 70% of app downloads originating from App Store search, professional optimization isn't optional, it's essential for success. Our specialized approach leverages the 15 most effective ASO strategies through a systematic 4-phase framework, ensuring every aspect of your app's App Store presence is optimized for maximum impact. From foundational keyword research to advanced features like custom product pages and in-app events, we deliver measurable results that compound over time. 3. 1. Why choose ASO Leap for iOS app optimization? ASO Leap stands apart through our iOS-first specialization and evidence-driven execution. We don't offer generic solutions. Every strategy is tailored to your app's unique goals, category dynamics, and target audience. Our team combines deep App Store algorithm expertise with proprietary tools and methodologies developed through years of optimization experience. Key differentiators: proven framework, implementation of 15 scientifically backed ASO strategies, iOS expertise, specialized focus on Apple App Store mechanics and features, data-driven approach. Every decision backed by analytics and A/B testing, full funnel optimization. From keyword indexing to conversion and retention, Apple compliance. Adherence to guidelines and policies to protect your app's sustainable growth. Strategies designed for long-term, compounding results. 3. 2. Comprehensive service components. Foundation optimization. Phase 1. Strategic keyword research and mapping. Our 5-step methodology identifies high-impact keywords through seed keyword analysis, App Store autosuggest research, competitor gap analysis, intent categorization, and strategic priority mapping. We build comprehensive keyword databases with 100+ validated terms, ensuring optimal coverage across all metadata fields. Metadata optimization: app name and subtitle. Scientific formulas balancing brand recognition with keyword optimization. Keyword field mastery. Strategic utilization of iOS exclusive 100-character field description and promotional text. Conversion-focused content with monthly update strategies. Compliance verification, ensuring adherence to Apple guidelines and policies. Conversion optimization. Phase 2. Visual asset development. App icon psychology, color psychology and competitive differentiation strategies. Screenshot sequences. 3. Frame priority structure. Value proposition. Right pointing arrow. Core features. Right pointing arrow. Social proof. App preview videos. 30-second storytelling framework with problem-solution narrative. Device-specific optimization. Separate asset sets for iPhone and iPad. Ratings and reviews management. Proactive request strategy. SK Store review controller implementation with optimal timing. Professional response framework. Systematic approach to all review types. Quality improvement loop. Feedback integration into product development. Advanced features. Phase 3. iOS exclusive capabilities. Custom product pages. CPP. Traffic segmentation for campaigns and audiences. Product page optimization. PPO. Apple native A/B testing with statistical significance in app events. Strategic implementation for additional discovery surfaces. Category optimization. Strategic positioning for maximum browse discovery. International expansion. Localization strategy. Data-driven market prioritization and cultural adaptation. Market intelligence. Comprehensive competitor analysis and opportunity identification. Seasonal optimization. Calendar-based campaign planning and execution. Scale and automation. Phase 4. Performance analytics and continuous optimization. Advanced analytics dashboard. Real-time monitoring of 50+ KPIs. A/B testing framework. Systematic experimentation with hypothesis-driven improvements. Apple Search Ads integration. Synergistic paid organic strategy development. Competitive intelligence. Ongoing monitoring and strategic response planning. 3. What you receive. Detailed deliverables. Research and strategy package. Market and competitor keyword research with prioritized matrix localization. Ready keyword sets per storefront. Competitive analysis and positioning recommendations. Strategic roadmap with phased implementation plan. Optimization implementation. App name and subtitle variants with A/B testing. Recommendations. 100-character keyword field optimization. Promotional text strategy for seasonal and feature-based campaigns. Description rewrite focused on benefits and conversion. Creative assets. screenshot sequences for iPhone and iPad with storyboards and copy, app preview, video script and production recommendations, app icon, concept guidance and testing plan, visual brand consistency guidelines, advanced features, setup, CPP strategy by audience and campaign type, PPO experiment roadmap with testing priorities, in-app events calendar and metadata optimization, localization packages for target markets, analytics and reporting, KPI baseline establishment and dashboard setup, weekly insights and monthly strategy reviews, test documentation with learnings and recommendations, quarterly roadmap updates and strategic pivots. 4-hour proven process. Phase 1. Discovery and foundation. Weeks 1 to 4, comprehensive audit and baseline establishment, keyword research and competitive analysis, metadata optimization and compliance verification. Expected outcome: 15 to 25% keyword visibility improvement. Phase 2. Conversion enhancement. Weeks 5 to 8. Visual asset optimization and testing, ratings management system implementation, category positioning optimization. Expected outcome: 20 to 35% conversion rate improvement. Phase 3. Advanced implementation. Weeks 9 to 12. CPP and PPO experiment deployment, in-app events and localization rollout, competitive intelligence system activation. Expected outcome: international expansion. Foundation. Phase 4. Scale and optimize. Ongoing, continuous testing and optimization cycles, performance monitoring and strategic adjustments, seasonal campaign execution and refinement. Expected outcome: sustainable growth system establishment. 5 expected results and performance metrics, typical outcomes: 3 to 6 months, 30 to 50% increase in organic downloads, 40 to 60% more ranked keywords achieving top 10 positions, 25 to 35% improvement in product page conversion rates, 20 to 30% reduction in overall user acquisition costs. 4.0+ rating maintenance with improved review volume. Key performance indicators we track: visibility, keyword rankings, search impressions, indexed terms, traffic, click-through rates from search and browse conversion, install rates by traffic source and page variant, quality, user retention, engagement metrics, and lifetime value efficiency, blended acquisition costs and return on ad spend. 6 investment and engagement options. Professional ASO package -$4.997 per month. Complete implementation of all 15 ASO strategies, dedicated account management and bi-weekly optimization cycles, custom visual asset creation and testing, advanced features implementation, CPP, PPO, in-app events, comprehensive analytics and monthly strategy reviews. Enterprise ASO package -$8.997 per month. Everything in professional package: priority support and weekly strategy sessions, multi-market localization and international expansion, Apple Search Ads integration and management, custom analytics dashboard and real-time monitoring. Essential ASO package -$2.497 per month. Foundation optimization, keyword research, metadata, basic visuals, monthly performance reporting and optimization recommendations, email support and quarterly strategy reviews. Perfect for new apps or those with limited ASO experience. 7 ready to dominate the App Store? Don't let your exceptional app get lost in the millions of applications competing for user attention. Asoleap's proven iOS optimization methodology has helped hundreds of apps achieve breakthrough growth and sustainable success. Get started today. Free ASO audit. Comprehensive analysis of your current App Store performance strategy consultation. 30-minute call to discuss your optimization opportunities. Custom proposal. Tailored service package based on your specific needs and goals. Contact Asoleap now to transform your app's App Store performance and unlock its full growth potential. Your success story starts with a single optimization decision. Asoleap, where App Store optimization meets measurable growth. We hope you've had an enjoyable experience visiting our website.